Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to create wireframes from any web page using the MockFlow Chrome extension. For this demo, we'll be using a website's contact page to walk you through the process. To begin, click the MockFlow Chrome extension icon in your browser and choose Full Page to Wireframe from the sidebar options. You can also configure settings like import all images or draw in sketchy style as needed. Then, select the MockFlow project where you want to save the wireframe, or create a new one by clicking the plus icon next to wireframes. Once the new wireframe page opens, click the Import button to add the converted wireframe. The contact page is now added as an editable wireframe. If you want to open the editor in a new tab, simply click the Open in New tab icon located at the top right, next to the Export button. The wireframe will open in a separate tab, where you can fully customize it, modify text, adjust the layout, or change any elements to fit your design needs. As shown here, the imported contact page has been seamlessly edited and personalized. Streamline your UI design workflow with the MockFlow Chrome extension. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing tutorial and tips.